Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So the Aussie dollar had a very strong move to the downside so far this month. It'll be interesting to see how this monthly candle closes, but as of right now, it does look pretty bearish. It looks like it's probably going to go down, retest these lows before we really do get that move to the upside. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we did get that breaker structure normally, and this move down I would assume is either an A or a 1, and most A's and 1s do end right after you get that breaker structure. So at some point I do expect to see a push up, and then we'll decide whether this is an ABC like this, or whether it's a 1, 2, 3 like this, which at this point it seems more likely like it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside. Taking it down to the daily time frame, like I said, this is one big strong move to the downside, either a wave A or a wave 1. We just recently broke structure, and most A's or 1s do end around a previous structure, in this case a wave B structure. So it does seem pretty likely at some point that this will go up and make a crutch into this move down, which should be either a wave B or a wave 2. Like I always say, the trading strategy is exactly the same for an A or 1, just like it's the same for a B or 2. So at this point, it doesn't really matter whether it's an ABC or 1, 2, 3. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the trend is technically still down. We definitely do not have any breaks of structure yet. And we have to be a little cautious about assuming that this is going to go up and break structure, because it definitely may not do that. It definitely could make another lower high and keep pushing down, which is why I will continue to look for shorts until the market tells me so. Heading down to that 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down. Now, if I see another 1, 2, 3 pattern to the upside, if I see another Fibonacci bounce, then I definitely will take it as another sorting opportunity. The trend is not over until the market says the trend is over, and for me, the trend is not over until we get a breaker structure on a higher time frame, like the 4 to 8 hour time frame. So if price does go up and break this structure, then that tells me that A or 1 is over. If not, and instead it makes three ways up to a Fibonacci level, then I definitely will go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.